deal. Dollar deal. Dollar deal. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today straight from the 90s, as you can see, with my new hairdo. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Some kind of wall blend.
Today I'll be showing you how I made this 90s inspired neon printed denim jacket. I got this jacket for about $15 from Forever 21. They had a 50% off sale going on, so I got this jacket for a pretty good price. It was about $34 initially, but as you know, I love a dollar deal. Dollar deal! Dollar deal! Dollar deal! Dollar deal! Dollar deal! Also, if you want to learn more about the jacket that I'm wearing now, don't forget to check out my blog and website, silkandhavoc.com/blog, to see the full tutorial. For this project, you'll need fabric silkscreen printing ink, silkscreen printing squeegee, 1 silkscreen or more, denim jacket, plastic utensils, clothespins, transparency paper, and an X-Acto knife. Here I am placing the jacket over a board just so my surface for printing can be as flat as possible. You can see I'm using clothespins to secure the jacket onto the board. And you just want to make sure that the jacket is stretched out as flat as possible, like you see here. You can see here that I'm placing my first transparency paper down. It's a stencil that I pre-cut and placed my silkscreen on top. I'm placing white ink at the top of the silkscreen, and I'm squeegeeing down at a 45-degree angle, covering my stencil all the way to make sure that my design will come out as clean and clear as possible. Here is my first design revealed. So here we're going to follow the same steps. You put down your stencil, followed by the silkscreen on top. You want to place ink inside of the silkscreen. You'll squeegee down at a 45-degree angle until your design is fully covered. So as you saw before, I used a stencil that I pre-cut. For yourself, if you don't have any pre-cut stencils, you want to use the X-Acto knife, which I listed in the materials, and you will cut out your design, whether you found your design online or do something yourself. I would suggest that you start off with something that has a silhouette, which is a lot easier to cut. Here I'm using a custom stencil. It is a Silk and Havoc stencil, which is the name of my brand and blog, as well as my website. Feel free to visit if you have a chance. It's www.silkandhavoc.com. The link is in the description below. So I started off with a neon green and I added a dark blue. And so together this is going to create an interesting ombre effect. And you'll see I flipped my squeegee to mirror the colors below. So you will see that I'm really getting the 90s effect by using a lot of neon colors. In the 90s there were lots of bright and eye-catching colors, so I'm making sure to use lots of neon greens, pinks, yellows, and purples within this design. Okay, you see I've silkscreened the words "I like rainbows" on the yellow square at the bottom. Let me know what you think about the design. So we're going to continue by layering now. As you can see, I'm layering on top of the initial prints that I made. So I'm continuing to layer and just build on top of my design to make it more visually interesting. Now my design is completely finished on the back. For flipping your jacket and printing on the front, make sure you give the jacket time to dry and iron it for about 5 to 10 minutes to make sure the ink is set. Here I'm adding silkscreen squares to the arms of the jacket. I didn't realize that I was out of frame. Here I'm gonna do the same design on the front. And now the jacket's all finished. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Also hit the notification bell so you can be sure not to miss any of my future videos. And thanks again for watching.